What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, as you can see, I'm on vacation. I'm at this lovely resort. As you can see, we got the villa right here. It's like a golf course in the back, and I'm just doing some grounding right now, walking around barefoot in the grass and stuff like that. And I just decided to make this video because I really haven't made a video on this channel in so long. So I decided, why not make one today and let you guys know why I love the business of CPA marketing so much, why I feel like it's the best business you can start in 2025. Now, I truly believe it's one of the best because of, first things first, the time freedom that you get to enjoy once you have a running campaign that is optimized. As you can see, I get to just leave the country whenever I want. I get to be on vacation as long as I want. I wake up every single day, guys. Every single day I wake up, I literally do whatever I want every single day. Lately, you know, I go to the gym, or if I want to just go have breakfast somewhere, or just leave town randomly, you know, thought of that day, that's what I do. And it's just, without this business, I wouldn't be able to do that. I wasn't able to live life like that. Like, as you guys didn't know, I used to work at a warehouse, guys, where I used to work 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. every single day. I had no freedom. As soon as I would wake up, I would just think about, dang, I gotta go to work later that day. So I couldn't really do much, right? So what I did was, when I found CPA marketing, I took action. I did everything that I needed to do to see success with this business model, because if I didn't, guys, I would have been stuck slaving in a warehouse. Like, I was in college and stuff, so I probably would have finished college, but I still would have been working 9 to 5. That's why I chose this business model. I chose this business model because I knew that I wanted to be able to enjoy my time. I wanted to enjoy life. I wanted to be able to wake up when I was done sleeping. I wanted to be able to do whatever I want whenever I wanted to do it. I didn't want to be tied into no clock, or tied into, oh, do I have vacation time? Do I have time off? Things like that. Like, no. I always got time off. I work from my laptop. As long as I got a Wi-Fi connection, I'm good. And I want you guys to experience that freedom. I want you to be able to experience the freedom of being able to work whenever you want to work. You know, live life how you want to live life, on your terms. Wake up when you're done sleeping, things like that. Like, I feel like everybody deserves to live that type of life. It's kind of hot out here, so you might see me break a little sweat. I might need to go step in the shade. All right, guys, so another perk of this business model is you literally get to make as much money as you want, guys. It's literally determined up to your skills, up to how much ad revenue you want to put into a campaign, and that's how you're able to determine how much you make. So if you want to make just a little bit of money, a couple $100s a week, you know, $500 a week, guys, it's possible. But if you're the type of person like me, where you want to make $5,000 a week, $15,000 a week, guys, that's totally possible as well. It's all going to be determined up until how much, basically, ad spend you have to spend on a campaign. Now, you may have just a couple $100 disposable income, so you may only can afford to run a campaign that's only generating you a couple $100. I'm actually stepping this pool a couple, because it's so hot. Hopefully this cools me down. But yeah, you may only have a couple $100 disposable every month, but what you can do with that disposable income is put it towards a campaign. Start optimizing that campaign and build you a campaign with CPA marketing that allows you to generate extra couple $100 a month, $1,000 a month. You know, it can start small, guys. When I first started this business, I used to only make like $50 to $75 a day. And I ain't gonna lie, that's when I was focused on free traffic. So a lot of you out there, you guys focus on free traffic. You try to focus on, like, just making money with, like, not having to spend any money. And I'm gonna tell you guys, that's when I was kind of capped at like the 50 to 75, maybe $100 on a good day. But when I started using paid advertising, Facebook ads, Bing ads, Google ads, things like that, took my life to a whole new level. That's when you started seeing me buy the cars, take the vacations, moving to my dream crib, things like that. Like, before that, I was living in apartments, driving a shitty car. Like, I was making money online, but I wasn't experiencing the lifestyle of making money online, if you get what I'm saying. That's another perk of this business. It's simply, you can make as much money as you want. It's all determined up to you how much you want to put into this. If you want to focus on free traffic, generate $50 a day, $75 a day, that's up to you. If you want to focus on paid traffic, generate thousands of dollars every single day, every single week, you know, 5-figure months. You see me have 6-figure months. So I mean, this is the best business model. You can literally have as much time, literally make as much money as you want, and not only that, but you can do it from anywhere. You know, location freedom is really the biggest thing, because like I said earlier, as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, you're good. You don't have anything to worry about. Let me take my phone out my pocket so I can actually get in the water. I probably should take this shirt off too. I'm only get knee deep though. But yeah, guys, location freedom is a big thing also. Like, you literally can work from anywhere. As you can see, I'm working from this golf course resort villa, guys. This thing is dope. Probably do another video like with a tour. I'm gonna probably like vlog and stuff while I'm out here and stuff. I'm out here for a whole week, so you know, I already been here a few days, so I'm just I'm gonna try to shoot some content for you guys while I'm actually on vacation, because when I get back home, I don't know like how it's gonna go. So speaking of that, I have been getting a ton of emails on people wanting access to my private coaching program, and I'm going to actually open it, but I'm not leaving it open for long. I'm only going to open it for like, I want to say to the end of this week, till I'm like off vacation. Once I'm off vacation, I don't know, guys, when it'll be open again, because I know I've been having it closed like for a minute now. So I'm just going to give people the opportunity to enroll, but I'm most likely not going to open it again this summer. Maybe towards third quarter or something like that, I may open it, you know, towards fourth quarter. I had it open kind of the whole first quarter, so I mean, well, not really in April, but that's most likely how that's going to go. So if you want access to my private coaching program where you get to work one-on-one with me building out your campaigns, or you want access to Mogul Academy where you get to learn basically all my CPA marketing secrets, techniques that I use to build my business, you can basically check that link down below. That's going to be in the description. But other than that, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best business like out there. Like, I don't see nothing else that's really messing with it. Maybe drop shipping, but as you know, like, drop shipping has gotten 10 times harder. The tariffs was hit with China and stuff like that, but that's probably the only thing that could compete, because I mean, who doesn't want a business that's fully remote and you don't have to really do any work? All you got to do is just send the traffic, convert the traffic, and then your job's done. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to worry about fulfillment. You don't have to worry about completing any client work, you know, because some people might say, well, agency work is better, but I feel like agency work, you have to manage so many clients before you can get to the income you want, unless you just charge your clients like $10,000 a month and you just take on like 2 clients or something like that. But you have to be really high level for that. But other than that type of work, I feel like CPA marketing is the best business for a beginner, somebody who really had no experience. I'm somebody who was working at a warehouse, guys. Now look at my life. Look at this. Like, I'm living swell, guys. I cannot lie. And it's just vacation. You guys know when I get off vacation, like, my life is just perfect as well. I'm still driving my dream car. I'm living my dream life even at home. So this is just an extension of what life is, basically. And yeah, I didn't want to ramble too long in this video. I just wanted to inspire somebody out there who may be thinking, should I try this thing out? Should I invest money in the traffic? Should I start that campaign? Should I buy the tracking tool? Should I, you know what I'm saying, and just invest in a course or whatever? It don't even have to be my course. If you see somebody out there teaching this stuff, learn as much as you can. Don't just learn from me. Learn what everybody has to say about this, and, you know, get all the knowledge you can. That's what I did. I learned from everybody. I took so many courses. I didn't really go to like seminars and stuff like that, but I did take a lot of online courses, guys. Not just one. I didn't just learn from one person. I learned from all type of people who were teaching Facebook ads, Google ads. I learned everything about ads. I learned everything about just, you know, traffic, converting the traffic, copywriting. And when you put it all together, this is the life that you get. You get this type of lifestyle where you literally get to just, you know, chill at villas and like record videos, letting people know that you actually made it in life. And yeah, it wasn't an accident Like, this all happened because I put in the work, I put in the time, I put in the effort, and I stay focused on my goals. As you guys know, I do vision boards, I listen to affirmations, I reprogram my subconscious mind to basically hypnotize myself to want to make 7 figures in my business, and that's what I got. And now you see the fruits of my labor. You see the fruits of all those visualizations, all those affirmations. Now it's true. Now you see me at the villas, you see me on vacation. I'm always at resorts. I'm going out later into the town. We got a party boat booked for later, so you guys may see more footage on that. But yeah, guys, this is my life now, and it's just, I don't even really make videos like that, and it's because I'm living life, guys. I didn't really get in this to just be a YouTuber full time, so you may not see me post a lot of videos, but like when I do make a video, guys, just take advantage. Like I said, for anybody that want to get in my program, get into it now, because I'm probably not going to be offering it through the summer because I'm going to be enjoying life. I'm going to be traveling, and I'm just going to enjoy my vacation. If you want to talk to me, you just get inside my coaching program, and then we'll talk then. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.